conversing with anyone else tonight," Edgar said. "The only person you've shown an interest in is my wife, and I'm going..."
Dad was texting me last night. Sorry. Someone just got into a really bad accident.
Oh!
Weight loss secret, I count 25 pounds. Take advantage of Dayton Weight Loss Secrets October 7th.
Yeah! See where that got you, you asshole.
So right here, I see they getting a little too close, right? So I get off the brake right there. Boom. They had a chance not to hit me. Didn't get off the brake. Boom, hit me. Look at him, gone. Just took off on me. But luckily, I had a trailer hitch in, and they pretty much ran smack into.
That's now the backing of a Trump administration.
Okay.
This is apparently work of Homeland Security Secretary Christine with working with writers and producers to make this reality.
Live running me. I don't know if you ever saw this.
Speed up, you cunt! Oh, Sam.
Over my feet, baby.
Oh!
That
really wasn't anything that indicated a struggle or violent encounter had occurred. There was nothing like a note or message.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
And now I'm driving down L. Do you know if there's anything? Do I need to stop at the mailbox?
Not that I'm aware of, honey.
Oh!
Yep, there it is. Oh no! God, bro.
On Sirius XM Hits 1. Whenever Jack Harlow shows up again, and this being his first song since 2023, he always comes with a surprise. I mean, I didn't expect him to use this type of jazzy beat.
Say it was true, then why wouldn't Jim mention anything about it? It looked like Ed Bard was in luck, as he usually was. As the curious vampire was
Oh.
Oh!
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Peyton.
What the hell?
What are you doing?
Esos son todos los que me operaron a mí hasta que se...
No blinker, just a fast lane. Ghost in